Hello everybody and welcome to my English for Hospitality course. My name is Benjamin with English from A to Z. I'm happy to have you on board. It's great that you've chosen to use this course to help you with your goals in the hospitality industry, whether you're a caregiver or a concierge person at a hotel, or if you're a maid or even a hostess or waitress or waiter at the restaurant. I'm glad to have you here. I hope you are looking forward to improving your English skills for hospitality jobs and to boost your own career and your professional goals by taking this course. I'm going to run through things for you in terms of what you'll be learning in the course and how it can benefit you. So I'm happy to have you on board. Thanks again, and let's look at what you'll be learning in this course. So my name's Ben. I'm the course provider for English for Hospitality, and I'm going to run through an introduction of what to expect. So let's look at the course topics that you'll be going through over these next weeks or months, depending on how long it takes you to go through this course. But I want to really thank you again, and let's look at what you'll be learning. So my course outline includes videos of about different subjects, and each lecture is going to cover different subjects, and there might be some additional videos to come. But we're going to talk about maid service or housekeeping services. We're going to talk about caretaking services or caregiving services. We're going to talk about restaurant service, like for waiters and waitresses. We're also going to discuss what it's like to be a concierge for hotels, dealing with guests at the guest services desk. We're also going to look at tourism, being a tour guide, working in the tourism office in that service, and also talking about customer service, whether online or by phone, as a receptionist or working for general customer service for a business. And then I want to talk about how do you go through the process of dealing with a client or customer. How do you make introductions or greetings? How do you deal with complaints or problems that could come up? How do you go the extra mile to help during the course of your job during the day? How do you handle an emergency if it's going to come up, which it might? And how do you provide satisfaction with a smile? How do you finish the job well at the end of the day? And lastly, I want to cover how to self-evaluate your hospitality skills. Now, you have great videos here. I'm excited to go through all of these different types of jobs within hospitality, and also how do you deal with different things on the job. But be on the lookout. There might be additional videos to come that I might add to this course. And definitely do the assignments that I will give you for each of the course videos as well. So here's what you'll be learning. Like I said, you'll be learning about what are the different types of hospitality in this industry and how they are different or similar from each other. I want you to make the most of your duties and responsibilities, along with how do you use your English vocabulary, how do you improve it, and how do you use your speaking skills to succeed in your job, and how do you deal with introducing yourself to the client or customer. How do you handle complaints? What do you do for extra to help them? And how do you facilitate feedback from others when the job is done? And I want you to receive practice for self-study on your own with lists of vocabulary words that I'll be giving you, as well as some example phrases and sentences and dialogues for each of the lesson videos that you can use too in your job. I want you to be patient with your English skills. I know they're not perfect, but taking these video lessons and using what you know from them to do your job will help you succeed in this growing and very important industry worldwide and in the English-speaking world as well. So thanks for watching. I'm excited to have you on board. Thank you again for enrolling in my English for Hospitality course, and let's get started. Welcome aboard. Thank you.